Instructional video number 5, alcohol burner. Hi guys, this is John with Preppers Are We, doing this tutorial for the video challenge. This is a pickle jar. I'm going to teach you guys how to make an alcohol burner. You have a lid, you have a knife, you have a jar, you have a wick, you have alcohol. Okay, take a knife, put it through the lid, twist it sideways like this to open that hole up just slightly. Take your wick, cut it in half. You don't have to cut it in half, but I cut them in half because I can make 2 for the price of 1. Feed it through there, pull it all the way down, leave you about a 1/2 inch of wick up above. Take a knife or a pair of pliers and push this down tight on that opening right there so that it doesn't slide through easily. Okay, when you're done, that's what it should look like. Take alcohol, has to be pretty high grade. This is 91%. Put it in your jar. While I'm at this, I'm going to go ahead and fill up this plastic bottle that I cut, and I'm going to pour some in this little bitty metal tin. Here's the thing, alcohol burns, it doesn't matter. Okay, as long as it's not plastic touching the flame, it should work, or paper. Okay, so here, put that in there, let it soak up for a second. I like to use the ones with the handles so I can carry them around like a little night light. Now, as long as you have a metal lid, you can actually burn alcohol on a wick. Doesn't matter if it's in plastic or not. And if you have a metal container that's not touching the base of something, because the metal container will get hot, you can burn alcohol. 1, 2, and 3. Now hopefully I got this under 3 minutes. If you guys like these videos, please like and subscribe. And they're on YouTube. And you guys have a good day. Thank you.